Hey everyone, thanks for coming by. If you don't already know me, my name is Jordan Moyer. I'm just starting something out new here, making some YouTube videos about fitness related content. First and foremost, I guess essentially I'd like to thank Isatori, basically the sponsor of this video, whose products I will be using throughout the coming year here. I don't really know exactly what kind of content I'll be creating here, but I'm open to suggestion on specific topics, all that stuff. So if you have anything you'd like to see me, explain or troubleshoot for you, please drop it in the comments, let me know. I'm also told that it will help out if you like and subscribe to the channel. So if you're liking what you see, please, smash that thumbs up button and hit the subscribe button. So currently, I've started 2021, pretty strong. I went to Ontario and then came back and have been following a program ever since. I have a coach that I've been working closely with. I'm only 2 weeks into my program, but we've been making some good results, and I'll get into more of that in future videos here. But right now, the purpose of this video is to talk about making a shake with this stuff here, okay? So it's a pretty simple macro-friendly shake we're gonna make. I'll put the macros on here somewhere. It's around 200 calories, I think 30 grams of protein. Not bad. Really good thing about this Isatori Bioactive Whey is that it also has 500 milligrams of BioPro, which helps the protein get absorbed by your body essentially. It's the most bioavailable protein you can find on the market. That's why it's one of my favorite brands. Also because it tastes really, really good. And as an added bonus, if you're into it, this here is keto friendly as well, okay? So right now, I'm just gonna kind of show you guys the exact ratios of ingredients that went into the shake. There's a little bit of a video clip that I'll just dub over there, but it's pretty simple. It's basically just a scoop of this with some avocado, some fruit, and a little bit of ginger, okay?
Okay, now we're gonna walk through how to make the shake. I hope you enjoy the music I've found. I use a scale to weigh everything so that it's most accurate measurements. Now, my diet calls for 1 full avocado per day, which by weight roughly is equivalent to 4 servings. That's why 200 calories here is from the avocado. 120 grams is what I'm using. So if you're trying to cut down on calories, do just the fruit and the protein for about 200 calories. Does anyone else think it's super weird that an avocado serving only has 50 calories, but an ice cream serving and a chips has like 250? Next comes the fruit. This is a pretty good one. It has some pineapple, strawberry, and kiwi, all of which I like. I'm not a huge fan of the peaches. They usually overdo it, but this one seemed to be okay. One serving of this is about 160 grams, but it's only 60 calories. No different than a serving or 2 of vegetables, in my opinion. Of course, we're going to add the Isatori Bioactive Whey with 500 milligrams of BioPro or BioGrow in there, whatever you want to call it. I've been supplementing with the BioGrow for a couple months now, and definitely seem to have been putting on a bit of muscle with it. As you can see, I'm adding 350 milliliters of water here. We'll give it a blend. Not quite mixing up well enough, just because that wasn't quite enough water. I would think that 500 to 600 milliliters is probably the perfect amount of water to use for a shake like this. Adding another 200. I almost forgot the ginger there. I do prefer fresh, but I had this dried version on hand. especially when it's mixed with the fruit and vanilla. I find that it gives the shakes a really good taste. Okay, blend it a couple more times here. Should get nice and shaky, or more like a smoothie consistency now. And there you have it. Here's the exact calories from everything and the macros. Screenshot it if you like.
So I hope you liked that. If you'd like to see more videos like this, different kind of macro-friendly recipes, I've got tons of them. I can pretty much turn anything into a macro-friendly recipe, so just let me know in the comments down there anything you'd like to see, and I'd be more than happy to try to come up with something for you.
So I just figured I'd also show you guys before I go the results that I've had over the past 2 weeks, just following the training and nutritional protocol outlined for me by my coach. Getting a coach is typically the best way to get results, just because you can't really look at yourself that objectively. So if you do have any fitness results you're struggling with, or just want some tips with, I would love to hear from you. Drop me a comment down at the bottom here, or send me a direct message here, and you can easily find me on Instagram. It's at JordanWarrior88. Thanks.